Hello and welcome to Organizing Your Supplies for 6th grade. Now, even though we're returning, you're going to have a different set of supplies just because you need to set up a very important station at home. So this is going to be your remote-based station at home that's going to be different than your bed or elsewhere. You can see the informational video on that on another film. But this is all about supplies that you have either ordered from the school that you'll be getting or ones that you've kind of gone out on your own and followed the list that was put on the website. So I've divided it into a couple different categories. This category right here is what you want to have nearby your station. So you want to have a pink bevel eraser, graph paper, colored pencils, composition notebook. Again, we're going to use those again this year for Wednesday Outdoor Learning. So I'll be broadcasting live this year, though, from the garden and having you make observations around your house, hopefully outside as much as we can get and away from screens. Then Scotch tape. So Scotch tape or Scotch Magic tape, that's going to be used for projects either for science or math or social studies. If you have to construct something and then hold it up in front of the camera to show off your amazing engineering talent. Next, pencils, of course, and markers. You want to have those nearby because sometimes we'll have you do a color notes or notes that are colorized so that you can kind of highlight different parts of what we're talking about if we're doing an informational lecture style meet. 5-subject notebook, that's for math exclusively, and Miss Reese will explain that when you join her class. And let's see, so your lined index cards, we're going to have the option of having you make your own vocabulary cards like last year. That way you can have a physical way of reviewing the cards, physically separating what you know, and keep the ones you need to review as we learn about topics in science. Mechanical pencils is great to have as well. The only item that was not on any of the other lists that we've published is a dry erase markers. So you'll need to purchase those any place you find office supplies. And sometime in mid-September, we'll find a way to get a small whiteboard to you. That way you can hold it up in front of the camera and present your work or your findings or a word that we have you think about and show. So that's going to be what we're going to be getting together for you. Okay, so on the other side here is where you're going to have all these supplies tucked away in a box nearby for when we return, right? So all these supplies, I'm not going to go through all these, but all the rest of these supplies you'll put in there and kind of keep separate. The only difference being the headphones, but that's in the setting up your workspace at home video, so be sure you watch that one too. Looking forward to an exciting year, and thanks for watching this very informative, amazing video.